What happens when a criminal verdict is overturned? Have you ever wondered what it means when a criminal verdict is overturned? This situation arises when a higher court identifies serious legal mistakes in the original trial. Such errors can justify invalidating the conviction. When this happens, the conviction is vacated, and the case may be sent back to the trial court for further action, often resulting in a new trial. The process usually starts with an appeal. During this stage, the defense argues that mistakes made during the trial affected the fairness of the verdict. These mistakes could include improper admission or exclusion of evidence, juror misconduct, or violations of constitutional rights. The appeals court reviews the trial record to determine if these errors were significant enough to impact the outcome. If they find that they were, the conviction can be overturned. Sometimes, new evidence that was not available during the original trial can also lead to a verdict being overturned. This new evidence must be strong enough to create reasonable doubt about the defendant's guilt. If accepted, it can result in post-conviction relief, which may mean a new trial or even dismissal of charges. When a verdict is overturned, there are practical outcomes to consider. If the defendant was in custody, they may be released while awaiting further proceedings. The prosecution then faces a choice. They can decide to retry the case, often correcting previous errors, or they may choose to dismiss the case if they lack sufficient evidence. From the perspective of criminal defense, overturning a verdict serves as an important safeguard against wrongful convictions. It ensures that defendants receive a fair trial that aligns with their constitutional rights. Defense attorneys focus on identifying trial errors, procedural mistakes, or newly discovered evidence to build a strong appeal or post-conviction petition. To clarify some specialized terms, an appeal is a legal request to a higher court to review and change the decision of a lower court based on alleged legal errors. Post-conviction relief refers to legal procedures available after a conviction, such as appeals or petitions based on new evidence or constitutional violations. To vacate means to set aside or annul a previous court decision. So, when a criminal verdict is overturned, it means that the conviction is nullified due to identified errors or new evidence. The defendant may then face a new trial or be released, reinforcing the justice system's commitment to fairness and accuracy.